Hey everyone, this is Lucy, and in this video I will show you how to repair League of Legends client. So first you need to open your Riot, and here you need to go to your profile and click on settings. Here you need to go to League of Legends and click on repair. So if it doesn't let you go to this page, then go to task manager and go to details. Here click anywhere and press League of Legends like L and search for any League of Legends. So next you wanna search for a Riot, so press R and end all of these tags here. Riot client services and Riot client exes. So you wanna end all of these and then go back and go to settings of Riot, and hopefully this time you have this repair option. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. For more tutorials, do like and subscribe the channel.